Hello, friends. Welcome back. Let's create a scene together using felt. The first thing we should add are some hills. Let's make them dark green and light green. Now, boys and girls, let's add some layers to our blue sky. I think our scene is missing some flowers. Let's add them now. As we add the flowers, let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job, my friends. Now let's add some stars to our dark blue sky. Boys and girls, how many stars do you see? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 stars. Now, boys and girls, let's add something very special to our scene. It's a unicorn. Let's add more details to our unicorn. We did it! We created a lovely scene for our unicorn. I wonder, did unicorns ever really exist? What do you think? Although we have never seen a unicorn in real life, many people do believe that these creatures existed a long time ago. Some believed that this mysterious animal looked more like a rhinoceros than a horse and was very large with a thick, shaggy coat. But others are not quite as convinced. What do you think, boys and girls? Thank you so much for exploring unicorns with me today, boys and girls. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.